It's time for another exciting episode of Little Learners Lab, where we make history come alive through fun and engaging stories. And today, in part 4 of our World War II series, we explore one of the most heroic moments in history, the D-Day landings and the liberation of Europe. On June 6, 1944, over 156,000 Allied troops landed on the beaches of Normandy, France. What was this massive operation called D-Day? Why did it happen? And why does it matter? Let's find out. D-Day was the largest amphibious invasion in history. The Allied plan involved paratroopers taking key positions, naval forces providing cover and air support, and soldiers advancing from the beaches. It was a carefully planned operation that had been worked on for months. The United States, Britain and Canada led the assault against heavily fortified German defenses along the beaches of Normandy. Soldiers stormed 5 beaches: Utah, Omaha, Gold, Juno, and Sword. Despite fierce resistance, the Allies pushed inland. They faced landmines, barbed wire, gunfire, and other obstacles. But by the end of the day, they had succeeded in opening a path to begin liberating Nazi-occupied Western Europe. Thousands had lost their lives, but the mission was a success. After securing a foothold in Normandy, Allied forces advanced through France. By August 1944, Paris was liberated and towns and villages celebrated the end of the occupation. The German army began to retreat, and the tide of the war had finally turned. D-Day marked the beginning of the end of World War II in Europe. It showed the world the power of international cooperation and the bravery of those who fought for freedom. Even when the odds were overwhelming, they never gave up. So why does D-Day matter? Because it's a reminder that ordinary people can do extraordinary things. It is a reminder to be courageous in the face of danger and to stand up for what is right. It's a reminder that we should never forget the sacrifices of those who fought for our freedom. Wow, that was a lot of history. We hope you enjoyed learning about D-Day and the fight for freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an exciting episode. And be sure to tune in next time when we'll cover the final part of our World War II series, where we'll explore how the war ended and its lasting effects on the world. See you on the last part.